In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up for an account and log into the Pennsylvania BQA Producer Portal. We'll guide you through each step so you can get started quickly and easily. If you have any questions at any point during the process, please contact Hannah Walters, Director of Producer Education and Engagement, at 724-289-8510 or email hannahwalters@pabeef.org. To begin, you need to go to www.pa-bqa.com. Once at the site, you'll need to log in. If this is your first time accessing the portal, you'll need to sign up for an account by clicking the blue Sign Up button. When signing up, use the email address associated with your BQA certification and enter your name exactly as it appears on your BQA certification card. If you're unsure which email address is connected to your account, check your certification card. The email address is listed at the top right as shown here. If your certification card does not display an email address, or if you no longer have access to the email listed, please contact Hannah Walters before proceeding. When creating your password for the BQA Producer Portal, be sure to store it in a safe location for future reference. After signing up, you'll receive a one-time PIN code to verify your account. Enter this code and click Verify Secure Code. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access your account settings. To do this, click on your initials in the top right corner of the website, then select Manage Your Account. The first section is your profile page. Here, you can update your photo, name, title, bio, location, and time zone. You'll need to upload an image, but it does not have to be a photo of you. It can be any image you prefer. For your bio, you may include a short description or simply enter producer. Once complete, make sure to click the Save button in the bottom right of the page. Another helpful section is the certificates page. Here you can view, download, and print your BQA certificates. Next is the billing and subscription page. When you click on this page, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to access your billing information. As a reminder, there is currently no fee to access the BQA online portal or to obtain BQA certification. This is simply where your mailing address lives in the portal. Therefore, no payment details need to be added. If you need to update your contact information or email address, click on the 9 dots in the top right corner, then select Communities. On the right side of the page, you will see options for Update Contact Details and Email Change Request. To update your address, open Update Contact Details, complete the form, and click Update at the bottom. The same process can be followed if you need to request an email change. By clicking on Learning, you can access your current courses, training materials, and exams. Once you complete a course, your certificate will appear in the Certificates tab within 24 hours. To find your certificate, click your photo icon in the top right corner, select Manage My Account, and open the Certificates tab on the left side. Once your certificate appears, you can download or print it directly from there. You can also view upcoming events through the portal. Click the 9 dots in the top right corner and select Communities, and then select Events. Any events you have RSVP'd to or invitations you've received will appear on this calendar. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Pennsylvania BQA Online Producer Portal. If you have any questions, please contact Hannah Walters, Director of Producer Education and Engagement, at 724-289-8510 or email hwalters@pabeef.org.